college.
I am on your screen, honey, and I am very happy to be here. I feel like I haven't said that in a while. I don't think I said it on the last video, but I'm saying it. I don't know, but I do know I got a new frontal wig unit or whatever. I did not make this one. So if you want to know how I installed it, if you just want to know what hair this is, just stay tuned and watch the next clip. Disclaimer, I am not a hairstylist. I am not professional. I am not all the tea, okay? I just know a little bit of finessery, okay? All I know how to do is finesse, okay? I'm not saying it's the right way or the best way, but it's my way. And if you want to know my way, keep on watching. So here's some things you're going to need. You're going to need this duck clip, some tweezers, a comb, some scissors, got to be freeze spray, got to be gel, got to be gel in the black version of it, a powder brush, foundation color of your skin tone, and powder of your skin tone. Also, this tool you can use for your baby hairs if you'd like. Now, my wig cap is a brown tone. I suggest you get one close to your skin tone. So this is the wig that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to show you guys how it looks. There's 3 combs at the top, 1 comb in the back there. Also some adjustable straps. I use mine on the tightest I can. I've already cut my lace, and I've also put powder on my lace. I've only plucked this part. This is the only thing that I've plucked on this wig. Usually I would pluck more, but for right now, this is just a simple, easy way to apply it straight up. I'm showing you that good old see-through part. That's how you want it. You want to be able to see through it, because if you can't see through it, that means you haven't plucked enough. So this is body wave hair. I'm just showing you the shedding, very minimum. Good. So this part is optional. I chose to do this for the first time. I'm putting a dome cap on. This is basically the steps I got to get mine the way it is. I'm just showing you a quick version of what you will come up with in the end if you did the same exact thing. So now I'm going to add my makeup onto my forehead. Still kind of on the cap. Then I'm going to go to the back of the cap. Hey, I was turning up. I'm going to spray that down because you want that to freeze. Use your blow dryer on cool. Then go ahead and buff that powder on there. Making sure to get all of it because you don't want any spots. Now I'm going to take some alcohol. And I'm going to wipe off any excess so the glue will stick. Well, it's not really glue, so it's a gel, so don't be nervous. I'm just putting that first layer on and blow drying it. I use the clear gel first. Then I'm going to spray that again. It's levels to this, girl. It's levels. Now I'm on my second level. My second layer, sorry. And I'm going to spray that as well. So it's basically back and forth, back and forth. First the light, the clear gel. Then the white gel. And I'm going to blow dry that on cool. Make sure it's on cool. And you just wait. So now it's time to apply that lace. This is where those clips come in handy. You're going to put those back. Use that to put your hair back. And you're just going to pull your frontal to the front where you want it. This is all about how you want it. I'm going to use my scissors even though I was supposed to use my rat tail comb, but I lost it at this point. I don't know where. I guess I dropped it. And I'm just going to press that lace into my sideburns. Alright, so we are back. I just applied this sock to my head because I couldn't find my scarf. So I'm going to take these out. Wrap a hat on. This side is looking great, but this side, honey, is the side that always gives me trouble. So how I'm gonna fix that is the reason why it's giving me so much trouble is because it's too big on this side. So I'm gonna take my clip. So you pull a piece down. And now it fits on my ear tab. Now I have to glue it back down, so I'm going to take a little bit more got-to-be glue, just a tiny bit. And if you have any little flakes in your hair, just take your alcohol but this is pretty much my finished product on how I lay my frontals down. This wig was not, you know, plucked or anything like that, so there's still baby hairs right here. The only thing that I plucked was this line right here, and in case you don't know how to do that, all you're going to do is take your tweezers and pluck at the strands gently, and they come right out, and you can just comb it right on out, and there you have it. So that's it for my tutorial on how I lay down my frontals. Everyone has their own way. This is just the way I do it. That was my first time doing the bald cap method, so I'll see how I like it, but for right now I think that this looks pretty darn good, and you can part this hair in different spots, and I'm not really worried about the little pieces of glue because those come out over time, but for right now I'm digging it. Alright, so now I'm going to give you guys some specs on the hair. This is actually some AliExpress hair. This is a 250 density body wave, Brazilian body wave, 20-inch lace front wig. Okay, the parted space is about 3.5, 4 inches, maybe 4. It's got a good, I know I'm like this, but it has a really okay parting. Now be aware that the parting will get shorter as it goes on your sides, so but that doesn't bother me because I ain't trying to do too much. Usually I just wear a flip over like this, or I wear a middle part, or oh, excuse me, or I wear a middle part like this. So that doesn't bother me. That is not that much parting space because I don't plan on doing the absolute most. Um, okay, so the unit was $208. I think that's a really, really, really good deal. Usually you would pay for 3 bundles and a frontal, and you would pay over $200. So for a whole wig to be crap made for me, all I gotta do is cut the lace off and apply it. Honey, I'm here for it. Like, I think my days of making my own units are over, and I've only made like maybe 3 of my own units before, so I think those days are over for me. I think I'm going to be definitely doing this more often, and I think I'm going to get a few of these just to have that I can just pull out and plop it on and keep it pushing. Like, honey, $208, and then we have a little coupons and stuff too. Like, girl, get you, stop it. People have their reservations about AliExpress, but you just gotta know how to shop. Like, if you know how to do your research, you know how to, you know what I mean, finesse and finagle, you can find some good stuff on there. So I don't know, you just gotta know how to, you know, read reviews, all that. This vendor had no bad reviews, like none, and they had like 400 some reviews, like people or orders, which I like to get on AliExpress. I don't like to go for a vendor who had a lot of sales, because sometimes their craft starts to get a little bit worse, and sometimes they start sending out any old thing because they have such a volume of orders. So I stick around somebody who has like 500, around that, you know, range of customers already. And like I said, every single review was a good review. So also do your research. I didn't see many YouTubers YouTube about this hair, and the ones I did see were really good, so I figured I'd, you know, try it out. As far as the shipping time, shipping was I ordered it on the 13th. I got it on the 16th. Now, although because it's coming from China, you have to be careful of their Chinese New Year. I had talked to them, and they were like, oh, well, we don't know. We're not going to be able to send it out till after the 23rd. And come to find out, I came home to a package on my door on a Friday. So I'm just saying, sometimes it might work out for you, and sometimes it might not with the Chinese New Year type of thing. But after the 23rd of February, you'll be alright. Like, shipping time will be normal. Wigs always come no more than 5 days with AliExpress. No more than that. And or hair or anything like hair or bundles or stuff like that. Oh, they don't play. They're going to ship that out ASAP. So you don't have to worry about shipping time when it comes to your hair. And even though they had told me that they were not going to be able to ship it out till 10 days after I ordered it, that still wasn't that bad for me, because it's a wig. Like, I thought that they would have to make it, and it would have to be, you know, a lot more extra drama, but I don't know. So the cap size that I got is standard. I didn't get to choose what size I wanted. They pretty much picked that out themselves. They just have a standard cap size. The lace was automatically brown or medium brown, which was good for me because I'm black, so it works out for me. Like I said, I'm probably going to end up plucking and doing all that extra stuff later on. I'll probably even bleach my knots, which means I will actually take this off and bleach the back of the frontal, the underside of the frontal. I probably will end up doing that, but I mean, I'm like a carefree kind of person when it comes to it. Like, I don't want it to be super like I'm trying to finesse the fact that it's natural, not natural. Like, it's not that deep to me. I just like tuck this, boom boom, keep it moving, and I'm cool with that. Long as my part is good, that's what matters to me. As far as anything else, is there anything else I could tell you? Overall, customer service was nice. The lady's name was Emma. And if I could say, this is my initial review. So I'll be wearing this all the time. This is going to be my everyday wig, so we're going to see how it holds up. But for now, I'm okay with it. If you have any other questions, let me know, though. Drop them down below, and I got you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Why y'all not subscribing? I just don't understand. I don't understand why. I done showed y'all my whole dang on head. Bald. Ain't no reason why you should be subscribed. So, subscribe. Please.